Welcome to another episode of DAW Showdown. Today, we have an epic battle between two heavyweight contenders, Cubase and Reaper. First up, let's talk about Cubase. Known for its professional-grade features, Cubase offers a sleek and intuitive interface. With its extensive plug-in library and built-in effects, you'll have endless possibilities to shape your sound. And let's not forget the powerful MIDI editing capabilities, making Cubase a favorite among composers and electronic music producers. Now let's dive into Reaper. This affordable DAW has been gaining popularity for its customization options and efficiency. With Reaper, you can tailor your workflow to your liking, creating a personalized setup that fits your needs. Its lightweight design doesn't compromise on functionality, boasting a range of editing tools and a vast array of supported plugins. But which one comes out on top? Well, it ultimately depends on your preferences and workflow. Cubase is the go-to choice for professional studios, while Reaper offers a cost-effective solution for aspiring musicians and home producers. To make your decision easier, let's break it down. Cubase shines in its industry-standard audio quality and comprehensive mixing capabilities. It offers advanced features like chord pads, a scoring editor, and vocal alignment, making it a powerhouse for music creators. On the other hand, Reaper's strength lies in its extensibility. With its open-ended customization, you can truly make it your own. Reaper allows you to write your own scripts, create macros, and fully integrate with external hardware, giving you unmatched control over your music production. Both DAWs have their strengths and weaknesses, but in the end, it's all about personal preference. Take your time to explore their trial versions and discover which one aligns best with your creative vision. So there you have it, the ultimate DAW showdown between Cubase and Reaper. Thanks for watching this episode, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Happy music making!